Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Now, to an earlier story, we just said that 31-year-old Dane Anthony was charged in connection with the murder of his 42-year-old American Melissa Carey in St. Elizabeth. It was, in fact, St. James. Last week's brutal attack on a 15-year-old Old Harbour High student has stemmed from a conflict between years in the making. The school revealed that two students had an issue from primary school and parents had to be contacted. Over 5 years later, blood was drawn. Romardo Lyons has this primetime news follow-up.
This attack stemmed from a conflict that began when two boys were 9 years old. 6 years of unresolved issues between children. Every peace-building initiative at the primary level, and are now 2 years into the secondary level, has not gone farther than chalk and blackboard. Dean of Discipline at Old Harbour High School.
These boys were having conflict. These two boys were in conflict from grade 2 in primary school. The principal did tell you that I have a lot of information. Grade 2 in primary school, colleagues, where if you check the records, their parents were called in at their primary school because they were in conflict there. They are now in grade 8 in high school.
The people seen here, outside of uniform, are adults. TVJ News understands that they have already been identified by the police. This is how they got involved.
Relatives of the boy decided that they should exact revenge on the friends of the boy who assaulted him. And so they did just that. And it resulted in what we saw on the streets of Old Harbour. Very disgraceful.
The dean blasted parents who are not helping their children to resolve conflicts, but also getting involved in fights and harming children.
What manner of parent would want to come onto the school compound, would want to arm themselves, officers, and come onto the school compound to take on a student? We simply cannot and will not tolerate this.
In the meantime, the police warned students that gang activity will be met with the full force of the law.
For those who choose violence, it means that you have now called upon the state resources, the police, to take action against you. Weapons of any form, no in schools.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.